Welcome back to Montana This Morning. Joining us here in studio is Todd Preston, and we're just talking about Money Watch this Friday, and we finally got some relief in the market yesterday.
We did, yeah. We had a tough week. Wednesday was a big sell-off. The Dow was down almost 500 points. S&P and NASDAQ were also off. But yesterday we saw a little relief. The Dow was up 122, and both the S&P and NASDAQ were also up. So kind of caught our breath a little bit.
All right, and what's been driving the market right now?
Well, a number of things. There's some economic data that's coming out that's indicating that we may be approaching a recessionary pressures. We had the healthcare services index report. They were off. That followed the manufacturing report that was also a little weaker. So, you know, the Fed did cut rates. They meet later this month. There's now a 90% probability that they'll reduce rates again another 25% or 25 basis points, excuse me. So that was a little bit of the bad news is good news. We got bad news in the economy. That means we may see interest rates reduced. Of course, the Fed chairman that was here last week, Neil, I can't even say his last name, indicated that you know, he wants to be more proactive. He says if we wait until there's signs of a recession before we act, it's too late. Okay. So he actually would be pushing for a more substantial rate cut. So we'll see. Investors, though, are anticipating that we'll see at least a 25 basis point cut at the end of the month.
Okay, that's good to know. And it's Jobs Friday.
It is. Should be out any minute. They're expecting 147,000 jobs added. Wow. That'll be a more pivotal month because that will give the Fed a better indication of where's the job market. Right now, employment is strong. We did see unemployment benefits increase a little bit last week, but wasn't sure if that was the result of the GM strike. So depending on how that number comes, it could give further credence to a rate cut, or it could create another head scratcher for the Fed. So we'll just have to wait and see.
All right, that sounds good. Well, thanks so much for being here with us this morning. We'll have more Montana This Morning coming up right after the break.